Come here, come here. You'll never believe how much they made from this email system we generated. It's 2025. Your leads are already forgot about you. If you're not following up with your leads at least 24 times, you're missing out on over 20% conversion rate. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact email automation, AI, and bots to make sure you follow up with leads more than 24 times. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. Been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. Not gonna bore you with all that. You can always learn more here. In my videos, I share my screen, break it down, show you exactly how it's done. And if you want this full system, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you this exact workflow so you can use it for your business. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. All right, so this workflow right here, we actually built out for a CPA firm. And just last month, they profited over 99K. That's one of the most important things here is being profitable where you're not having to spend more money on ads. You're just focused on your follow-up. From there, we bring in some new leads from Meta, Google, and Instagram here. And what we do is we get them to an opt-in page. Cool, sounds great. But probably less than 10% actually fill out the form. So what we want to do is collect that data so we can come down here and retarget them. When somebody hits your site, we want to tag them with pixels, retargeting pixels, so we can follow up and remind them to come back. Now, if they do fill out the form, that's awesome. That's where the automated emails come in, and that's what I want to share with you today. Email number one needs to be a relationship builder with the ultimate goal for them to open that email and respond. That way you stay in the inbox. Now I'm going to head over to Go High Level here. This is what we recommend and what we use. And if you comment system, you can get this exact system uploaded into your Go High Level account. When somebody fills out that form, we actually do a ChatGPT powered by response. What it does is it scans their website, scans their business, and it'll automatically respond back with custom values and custom messaging that's focused on them. And that's what we want to do. We want to focus on our ICP, ideal customer profile, show the marketing, show the emails specifically for what they want and what would help them the most. From there, it's time to keep following up. Next day, we send them another email here. This one is where we build even better relationship, add some education, a reminder, but we want to make sure we follow up the next day so they don't forget. People are busy. They're probably at a red light. The light turned green. They totally forgot about you. Let's follow up. Let's get them back to watch a video or some sort of value so they build a better relationship. For us, we send them to a YouTube video. You can send them to an education guide or a blog. Either way, we want to give them value the next day. The day after, we want to send them another email, the day after another email, day after another email, allowing them to either schedule a call with you, or if you're an e-commerce brand, giving them a coupon to go back to your site to buy. All right, so that's just in the first week. That should actually all be done in about 5 days. If we go back to my Go High Level account, we're going to see welcome email, wait a day, another email, wait a day. And then what we want to do is trigger based on different conditions, whether they open the email and click the link, or if they didn't open the email, we want to send 2 different responses. If they open the email, that response means that they're warm, that you want to build a better relationship, they're more likely to buy or schedule with you. That's where you really need to focus on this next response to get them to schedule or get them to the right link to purchase. If they haven't clicked the link, this response needs to be totally different. It needs to ask them why they haven't clicked yet, ask them making sure that they even received your email, and even seeing if they're still interested. But what you want to do is separate that after those first 3 emails to see where they're at in the flow. All right, that retriggers another system, and I'm not going to talk about the retargeting ads. It is one of the most important things to follow up 24 times on 4 different channels. But you want to make sure that you implement this, and I've got other videos on my YouTube channel that dive into the retargeting ads more. But today I want to focus on these emails. Then after the first 5 to 7 days, we want to show them a new set of retargeting ads, but you want to keep it similar to the first set of ads so they remember you, it's relatable, and they don't think it's a completely different brand. Remember, people are being fed thousands of different pieces of content a day. They're going to easily forget, so you want to keep it on brand, keep the same face, keep the same logo, same colors, same look. Now we want to send another series of emails. This is where we want to educate them, provide case studies. We want to show them reviews. We want to ask questions. We want to get them to watch more videos. This is where, hey, they didn't sign up. They weren't 100% interested in those first 5 days. So let's educate them. Let's show that we're the authority business. We're the ones that they should reach out to when they're ready, because we're providing all this value and education. If they still don't come back and sign up, that's when you want to add them to your newsletter and send a third round of retargeting ads. Retargeting ads are basically just to follow you or sign up for your newsletter. They're not asking them to buy. This set right here is where we're asking them to schedule or buy. This set is, hey, they're just not ready yet. They're just not interested yet. So let's not break that relationship, ruin that relationship. Let's just keep providing value. Let's get them on the newsletter, and then we can send them an email every 7 days. When they're ready, they know where to look. And that's where this system comes in. With the help of AI, we can actually know exactly where they're at. So if they click the email, they said they were interested, they made it to the page, let's assign them, get them on a sales call, or let's send them a different discount offer to get a special offer. And then we can also add them to some lists where we ask for reviews once they get through that system, and then get them on the newsletter list. If they're still not interested, we want to make sure we update and modify their scores, because we want to be able to go in and say, these are our best leads. They have a 10 out of 10 score. These are our worst leads, 1 out of 10 score. We need to follow up with automations in a different manner here. And that's key here, because as you're following up with them, remember, this is all going to be done within the first month. You want to build systems to keep following up with your prospects month after month after month. What that does is provides a compounding effect where somebody that's never heard of you might sign up next week. Another person that hasn't heard of you might sign up next month, and a couple more people that you're building relationships that are new to your funnel, they might sign up in 3, 6, even 12 months down the line. All right, so what are you waiting for? Make sure you follow up with your leads 24 times on 4 different channels. My favorite is emails by building value and relationships. Make sure you hit the inbox so you get better open rates. And then also social media like X, LinkedIn, Meta, retargeting ads so they never forget. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this marketing, automation, and follow-up stuff, you can always check out this playlist here. I hope to see you on my next video. Come here. I want to show you the exact email system that generated. No. Come here. Go ahead and just start walking towards me. Come here. Come here. You'll never believe how much they made from this email system we generated.